Okay, you guys just walked out of here after Nadia had a big laugh attack. And this is super awkward. But I want you to be able to move far ahead in the subjunctive fast, because that's what we're going to sort of finish up. So keep in mind that the subjunctive endings, you should be taking notes and trying to memorize this stuff. Subjunctive endings, can we see? Yes, are E, ES, E, yon, ye. So it's pronounced yon, ye. All right? So how do we use these? How do you form the subjunctive? You take the il or elle form in the present tense. You chop off the ENT. You add these endings. So far, so good? So if it's an ER verb, you're going to have something like, let's just look at the normal present tense. Je parle, tu parles, il or elle parle, nous parlons, vous parlez, il parle, or elle. All right? So what part are we going to use to form the subjunctive? I really hope this is still recording. Is it still recording? It's still recording. How lovely. Lucky you. You get to watch me do this. Okay, so we have this form that we're going to be working with. We get rid of that, and we add the endings. So with the subjunctive, we can always start a sentence with il faut que, because that's a subjunctive trigger. We might as well. Il faut que, you would say, je, we're going to use that root. Il faut que je parle. What are we going to use? Well, we're going to use this ending. Il faut que je parle. Il faut que tu parles. Il faut qu'il parle. Qu'elle parle. Okay, so far you guys are going, wait a minute, this looks exactly like the present tense of the indicative, the normal one. You're right. So far, with an ER verb, these look exactly alike. And as a matter of fact, so does this. These look exactly alike. What doesn't look exactly alike is this. Que nous parle. What are we going to do? Ions. Que nous parlions. Que vous parliez. Right? So the ER verbs look exactly the same. Still recording, that's crazy. Okay, so now let's look at the IR verbs. They're a little crazier. IR verbs, remember when you were learning them, they were kind of hard. So you have je finis, tu finis, il or elle finit, and then you have nous finissons, vous finissez, and il or elle finissent. Right? What are some other IR verbs? You have finir, remplir, obéir, grossir. Okay, great. So now let's look at these in the subjunctive. Il est nécessaire que, that's another great subjunctive trigger. Il est nécessaire que, let's look, que je, so we're going to be using this form, right? Que je finisse, que tu finisses, qu'il, right? Qu'il ou elle finisse. Let's look at the nous. Que nous finissions. Look at that. Finissions. Que vous finissiez. Qu'il or elle finisse. The only ones that sound just like the indicative, this is weird, this and this sound alike, but those are the only ones that do. Now I want to show you one last category that's a little more complicated. Actually, it's not that complicated. It's pretty easy. Let's look at, let's see if you can read if I write in the hot pink, the irregular IR verbs. Can you guys remember what irregular IR verbs are? We have mentir, dormir, like Matt said, sentir. We have partir. We have servir. And we have sortir. And there's a few others, but let's just look at these right now. So how do we conjugate them? We say, let's do them in black. Je dors, tu dors, il or elle dort. So it's SST. And then, so we're looking at this verb here. Did I write it down? Dormir. This is that wild card letter that only appears on the right-hand side of the verbs. Nous dormons. Right? The M wasn't over here. Dormez. Ils dorment. Elle dort. Oops, I don't need to do that. Okay, so this is the form we're going to be working with. We get rid of the ENT and that. So that's our root for the subjunctive. So we're going to say, j'ai peur que, that's a nice subjunctive trigger. Okay, j'ai peur que, no, that's not going to work. That's a bad one too. Bad example, Sheila. Il est triste que, right? We're going to have il est triste que we're going to use that root, que je dorme, que tu dormes, qu'il dorme. So you see that the present indicative is quite different to the subjunctive. You have je dors, but que je dorme. Que nous dormions. Que vous dormiez. And qu'il or elle dorme. And that's everything you need to know. on how to conjugate regular verbs in the subjunctive. That is, as long as they are ER, IR, or irregular IR verbs. Now, how do I